Right folks, here's my new tune. It's called Goodbye. There it is. It's time to say goodbye to all my friends. I say goodbye. All the lies I've told, deceitful to the end, I say goodbye. I see my reflection looking back at me, it says goodbye. Bill Shakespeare said, I come here to bury Caesar, not to praise him. The evil that men do, live after them. The good is often turned into their bones. Goodbye. I say goodbye. So there it is, folks. Bit of guitar solo here. And then, no, it's not a sad, well, it is a sad song, I'm saying goodbye, but, you know me, inwardly, I don't know, I've got this black sadness inside me that always comes out when I play music. It's weird. I never do like, oh, I am a happy chappy. It's always sad and lonely and, you know, goodbye and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, so there's the tune, folks. Just want to hear this. There should be an end bit to it. Goodbye. Sad bit at the end, a quiet sad bit. After all the noise, we have this. I can't sing, folks. That's one thing I can't sing. So I try my best, but. So there we go, folks. My new tune on SoundCloud. Very soon indeed. It's called Goodbye. Right, folks. I've written another song, but it's quite an awkward sort of. It's an awkward chord progression because it sounds much better on the electric guitar. And I've got a plaster on my finger, man. I cut it when I was cutting some limes at work in the bar. I sliced it right in there. Oh man, the blood was gushing out. I had to go and get an ambulance, and I was taken to the hospital. Got 7 stitches. No, I didn't. I just put plaster on it. But anyway, so it's quite awkward for doing my my bar chords because you got to put your finger on. So, but it's right, so it's like a C minor, E flat, G minor, D minor, and a lot of minors in there, man. And it's just trying to write the lyrics in a minute. The sadness lies within. Goodness knows I've committed some sin. For heaven's sake, just open your eyes. Take a look around, take a look at the skies. Oh man, the world outside is turning black. I got myself in trouble, but I'll take the flak. This can't go on, it can't go on, man. When's it gonna end, man? When's it going to end? And on it goes, right, so that's it. I'm writing the lyrics at the moment, so there we go. Right folks, here it is. Here it is, our new Dyson. Look at this, man, look at this. Oops. It's a wonderful thing. It's so light, look, it's so light, man. And the good thing about it is it picks up everything. Everything gets picked up, no bother at all. And the thing comes apart like this. So you can have it as a little sort of, there's another attachment you put on there so you can go into your car and get all the bits you can, you know, just go into your chair and do that. Absolutely wonderful. And to empty it, it's the easiest thing ever, man. Look. This is how you empty it. Watch this, folks. And to empty it, it's so easy. You just do this. Look, watch. It comes out here. There's all the stuff there. You just do that, and look. Doink. Out comes all the stuff. And you don't even have to touch it. And then close it. Oops, a bit there. Look, oops. We'll just give it that, and then boom. That's it. So simple, man, to operate. Really is a wonderful thing. So it really is so light and easy to use. I mean, it's just a one-handed operation. It's like so light and easy to use. And we'll move the camera down a bit so you can actually see it in action. Here we go. Look at that. It's a joy. I love hoovering now. So yes, I must say, folks, this definitely gets a 10 out of 10 on the gadgetometer here. It's just so wonderful. Look, here we go. I'll show you. Put it onto vacuum view here. Look. It's a one-handed operation. As you can see it. So there it is. There we go, folks. I'm not sure what this does. What's this here? Max, what does that say? Max suction. We'll put it onto max suction. Shall we see what happens? Right, okay, we've got our max suction. And what's this other one do? High suction. What does that say? Extended run. Anyway, yeah, so that is, folks. Wonderful. So it really is a joy to hoover now, folks. I say we fight over who's going to hoover. We seem to hoover every day now. Just because you can do the stairs with it. There's no cord. It just charges up, and it's just you just pick it up and off you go. It really is nice and easy to use. Really is a wonderful contraption, man. I mean, there's no plug. You have to plug it in. I think Dyson have actually said they're not going to do any more of these cord things. It's just constant. This is the way forward, man. It definitely is. I know there's other ones out there like the Shark and things, but to me, I mean, look at that. It's just such a piece of. It's just wonderful, isn't it? I love it. So there we go. And it's so easy to manoeuvre on the carpet. It's got this ball joint thing. And I'll show you the ball joint. Look, see the ball joint there? Look at the way it manoeuvres, look. So it gets around all the corners. Right, folks, a bit of a disaster, I'm afraid. Got an email. There it is, look. Absolute disaster. It's saying that all the tickets for the V&A have been given out and I haven't got one. I have not got a ticket, folks. Why not? What is going on? Anyway, so we're still going to go, but it's just such a... Oh, man, I just can't believe we didn't get a ticket. Really, really unfortunate that is, though. So if anybody's got a ticket out there, they don't want it, well, you know, just... I've got the day off and everything, you know, so it's... honestly, man, so I'm really upset. I'm not happy at all, man. So bro didn't get one either. So maybe I have to email them and say, don't you know who we are? We are Spares. Spares! What should we do, folks? What shall we do? Right, folks, I just wrote a song about not getting a ticket for the V&A.
I never got a ticket for the V&A. I'm so sad and I don't know what to say.
Well,
Bro never got one either. We'll maybe try and sneak in, or we might get recognised and they might just let us in.
then we've got this sad...
Boom, I never got a ticket for the V&A. Oh, I'm so sad and I don't know what to say.
Right, here comes the sad bit. Right, that's going on SoundCloud, man. Thank you. Yeah, so that's a song about the V&A, folks. How sad we are not getting in. But we might sneak in or we might get recognised. What's that? Uh-oh. Right, let's get this done. This is the bit where I have to put everything onto SoundCloud now. Right, folks, thanks again for watching and subscribing. I read all the comments. Thank you very much, everybody, for all the comments. It's great. I love reading them all. Thank you very much, everybody. And all the messages that I get saying that they love the videos. Thank you very much, folks, indeed, for all that as well. Really do appreciate every single one. Thank you. Now then, I had a shout out to do. Who is it for again? Hang on. Yes, and it's you. Pay attention there, please. David Craighead. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Have a great birthday. You're going to be 50. 50, man. I was 50 5 years ago, man. Yeah. Okay, so have a great day. David Craighead, thanks again for watching. Cheers.